In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a second account on your PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The method that I'm going to present in this video can be done entirely on your PlayStation 4, so you don't even have to visit the PlayStation website through a web browser. You will be able to create a new account, join the PlayStation Network with the new account that you just made, and make sure that it is added as a user on your PlayStation 4. So every time you turn on the console, you will be able to pick between that user or the main one that you want to use. So all that you have to do is first, if you are already signed in, open the quick menu by pressing and holding the PlayStation button. You will be able to go over to log out of your PlayStation 4, and this will bring you back to the home screen where, after you pick up your controller and you press the PlayStation button, you will be able to choose any of the users currently available. Now, when you get to this window, you will find this option to the left, New User. This is where you will find all the tools necessary to set up a new user on this console. So when you go over to New User, you will be able to choose between signing into a pre-existing account, or at the bottom, you will have the option New to PlayStation Network, create an account. If you already have the sign-in ID and password that you want to use, simply input them there. But if you don't have them, go ahead and select New to PlayStation Network, create an account. You will be redirected to another page, which is a basic account creation form. You will have to confirm a lot of personal details, such as your home address, your username that you will be using to manage this account, and contact information like your first and last name, date of birth, etc. Because it contains a lot of personal stuff, I won't be showing you the full process on screen, but it is easy to follow, and once you get it done, you will be able to go back to the sign-in prompt where you can include the email and password. Once you include the email and password to this PlayStation Network account that you just created, it is going to be properly linked to the console, and the next time you go to the users window, it is going to appear as an option. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a second account on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.